Now today we will do exercise 11A. Open your books and see the question number 7. Okay. The question number 7 is saying the selling price of 12 pence. Selling price means SP of 12 pence is equal to the cost price, that means CP of 15 pence. Okay. Right. Find the gain percent. We have to find the gain percent. Now let us suppose the SP of 1 pen. The SP of 1 pen let be X. So the SP of 12 pence will be 12X. Then CP of 1 pen, let it be Y. So CP of 15 pence will be 15Y. Right? Now they are saying SP of 12 pence, that is 12X. It is equal to cost price of 15 pence. From here we know it is X upon Y equals to 15 upon 12. Right? Now what is gain? What is gain? Gain is gain or profit. It is equal to SP minus CP. SP है X, CP है Y. Right? So let name the equations. This is equation 1. This gain equals to X upon X minus Y. It is equation 2. Right? Now we have to find the gain percent. So what is the formula for gain percent? It is gain upon CP into 100%. What is gain? Gain is X minus Y. CP is Y into 100. Right? Now let's solve it further. I am rubbing the above part. See here. X minus Y upon Y into 100%. Now this Y is in denominator with both of them. So we can write it like X upon Y minus Y upon Y. Right? This X upon Y equals to 15 upon 12. Y upon Y 1 into 100%. Now subtract it. It will be 3 upon 12 into 100%. 3 4s are 12. 4 25. So it is 25%. So the gain percent is 25%. Right? Now move on to the question number 8. The question number 8 is similar to the question number 7. But here we have the loss. Now see the question number 10. The question number 10 is saying on selling a sofa set. On selling a sofa set for rupees 2160, yani 21,600, a dealer gains 8%. CP, sorry, SP is given 21600 and the gain percent is also given, it is 8%. We have to find the CP, the cost price, for how much price he purchased it. Now first of all, what is the formula of gain percent? Yes, tell me the formula of gain percent. We know it is gain percent equals to gain upon CP into 100%. Right? Let the CP is X. Okay, let the CP is X. The gain is 8 upon X into 100%. So from here we can find the value of gain. Gain will be 8x upon 100. Now we know gain also means profit also equals to SP minus CP. What is SP? It is 21600. What is CP? It is X. And what is gain? It is 8x upon 100. Now students, you can solve it easily. It is 8x upon 100 plus x equal to 21600. It is 108 upon 100. x equals to 21600, right? Now from here we can easily find the value of x. Solve it. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 54 0 0. 2s are, so it is 2 0 0 0. So the cost price is 20,000. This is the cost price, right? Now see question number 12. Move on to the question number 12. The question number 12 is saying, on selling a calculator for rupees 1325, that means SP is 1325, right? Man gains percent by 6. Man gains 6%. For how much it should sell? हमें अगेन CP बताना है, so that its gain percent is 4. So gain percent is 12, right? So first of all, from this information we can find the CP. First we have to find the cost price, right? So first, in first case, when gain is 6%, इस केस में देख, gain is, formula for gain percent, it is gain upon CP into 100%. Let the CP be x. So gain percent is given 6. From here we can find the gain. Gain is 6 upon x. Sorry, the gain is 6x upon 100. Now we know the formula for gain. Gain is also equal to SP minus CP, right? SP is 1325. CP is x and gain is 6x upon 100. Now from here find the value of x. Let's find the value of x first. It is 106 upon 100. X equals to 1325 and x equals to 1325 into 100 upon 106. 3 5s are 15. 3. Sorry, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. This will not be cut by 2. So 250. So let us suppose this is the CP. This is the CP. Now look at the second case. When gain is 12%, right? Now again put this in the formula. Gain percent equals to gain upon CP equals into 100%. It is 12 into x gain into 100. So the gain is now 12x upon 100, right? Again, now from here we know gain equals to SP minus CP. It is 12x upon 100. It is SP we have to find out. Sorry, it is SP, right? It is SP. SP we have to find out, minus x. So SP, now put this in place of this x. This is the value of x, right? This is the value of x we have find out. Now put this value here. 12 into 1325 upon 100 into 50 into upon 53. SP minus, so this 53, right? Now solve it further and find the value of SP. Now move on to the question number 16. Question number 16 is saying Pankaj sells 2 bicycles for rupees 2376 each. Each bicycle sell kiya, that means SP, right? Now he gains 10% and on the other he loses 10%. On one cycle, on one he gets gain of 10% and on other he loses 10%. We have to find the gain or loss percent in total. First, see the case of gain. In case of gain, SP is 2376 and gain percent is 20%. Now put the formula of gain percent. Gain percent equals to gain upon CP into 100%, right? It is gain is 10%. 10 into gain, let the CP be x into 100. So gain equals to 10x upon 100. Now put the formula gain equals to SP minus CP. Gain is 10x upon 100 plus x. इसको इधर भेजेंगे, it will be x equals to SP. So SP equals to 110 upon 100x, right? This is the SP. Sorry, this is the SP and SP is given, right? This SP is given, it is 2376. From here we can find the value of x, that means our CP. 2376 upon 110 into 100. Eleven twos are 22. 7s are 1s are 11. It is 216. So from here x equals to 2160. That means CP is 2160. Now move on to the next part where he has the loss. This much you understand? Now I am rubbing it. He has now SP is again 2376 and the loss is 10%. Now put the formula loss percent equals to loss upon CP into 100%. So it is 10 loss and the CP is 2160 into 100%. So from here we can find the loss. Sorry, the CP is x. This time it is y, okay. Let's suppose it is y. So 10 upon 100 y equals to loss. Now put this formula. Use the formula of loss equals to CP minus SP, it is Y minus 2376. So Y minus 100, 10 upon 100, Y equals to 2376. From here you can find the value of Y. Nine ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, sorry, 9 twos are 18, 6 are 54, 4 are. So Y equals to 2640. This is the CP when he loses. Okay, this is the CP. Now they are saying find the gain or loss percent total. Now see here, let's see here. Total CP कितनी हुई है उसकी? एक बारी CP ये थी और एक बारी CP ये है. So it is 2160 plus 2640. Add it. It is 4800. So now CP is this and SP is this and CP is this. So which is greater? CP is greater than SP. This is the case of loss. So loss की परसेंट कैसे निकालते हैं? First we find the loss. Loss कितना हुआ है उसको? 4800 minus 2376. Now sorry, this is the SP of one radio. Sorry, this is the SP of one radio. So SP of two radios will be 2 into 3, 2376. 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 3 are 6 are 1 7, 2 2 4. Now it is still SP is less than CP, so the loss equals to CP minus SP. CP is 4800, SP is 4752, subtracted. It is 48 rupees. Now the loss percent is 48 upon 4800 into 100%. It is 1%. So the loss is 1%. Now with this question, your chapter and your syllabus for half yearly has been completed. Now you can ask me if you have any problem in any question.